Hello everyone, today we're gonna talk about circles. Let's go!
So, what's a circle anyway?
A circle is a set of all points in a plane that are the same distance as a fixed point. The fixed point is called the center of the circle.
A central angle of a circle is an angle formed by two radii. A sector of a circle is a part of a circle enclosed by two radii and an arc connecting them.
Diameter, the line segment that passes through the center of a circle and whose endpoints lie on the circle. Chord, the line segment whose endpoints are any 2 points on a circle. Arc, the part of a circle named by its endpoints. Radius, line segment whose endpoints are the center of a circle and any points on a circle.
Sum of central angles. The sum of the measures for the central angles of a circle with no interior points in common is 360 degrees.
An inscribed angle is an angle in geometry whose vertex is on the circumference of a circle, and its two sides are chords that intersect on the circle. The measure of an inscribed angle is always half the measurement of its intercepted arc. When finding the midpoint of 2 points on a graph, add the two x and cut their sum in half. Add up the y's and divide them by 2. Now write them as an ordered pair. It's the middle of the two.
How to solve a midpoint? There are 2 points in midpoint, point A and B. Point A has 2 and 6 and point B have 4 and 10. First step is to substitute the numbers to the variables. x1 is to 2 and x2 is to 4. y1 is to 6 and y2 is to 10. Then, we add them up. 2 plus 4 is equals to 6 and 6 plus 10 is equals to 16. Next step is to divide them. 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3 and 6 plus 10, 16 divided by 2 is 8. Now, we have our midpoint. Our midpoint is 3 and 8.
When finding the distance between the 2 points, subtract the 2x, the same for the y. Now square these two numbers and find out their sum. When you take the square root, then you are all done.
First step is to identify the coordinates and the distance formula. The two given points are x1, y1, 3, 5 and x2, y2, 6, 4. Let's now use the distance formula. D is equals to x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Now, let's substitute the coordinates into the formula. D is equals to 6 minus 3 squared plus 4 minus 5 squared. Now, let's simplify the terms inside the parentheses. D is equals to 3 squared plus negative 1 squared. Then, let's square the results. D is equals to 9 plus 1 is equals to 10, which is the distance between the points 3, 5 and 6, 4 is approximately 3.16 units, or D is equals to square root of 10.
How to solve standard form. Step 1. Recall the formula. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. HK is the center of the circle, r is the radius. Our center for this example is 3 and negative 2, and our radius is 4. Substitute into the formula. Log h or 3, k or negative 2, and r or 4 into the standard form. Next, simplify the double negative in the y term. Then, the answer is x minus 3 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 16.
Step 1 is to group the x and y terms and move a constant. x2 plus y2 minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equals 0 is x squared minus 4x plus y squared plus 6y equals 0. Complete the square for the both x and y. To complete the square for the x term, take the coefficient of x, which is negative 4, divided by 2, then square the result. Add this value to the both sides of the equation. Negative 4 over 12 squared is equals to negative 2 squared is equals to 4. For the y term, do the same. 6 over 2 squared is equals to 3 squared is equals to 9. Now, add this value to their respective groups on the left side and to the constant on the right side. X squared minus 4x plus 4 plus y squared plus 6y plus 9 is equals to 12 plus 4 plus 9. Then, factor the perfect square trinomials. X minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared is equals to 25. The standard form of the equation of a circle.
Converting from general form to standard. Move the x term together and the y terms together. Move c to the other side. Complete the square as needed for x. Complete the square as needed for y. Factor the left and simplify the right. To complete the square, you need to divide the number on the center if there's one, then square it, but if there's no number, no need to do it. You directly put 0 for it.